got to disengage it off. Tell me what he pumped this in.
All right, guys, we back at it today. Got Sea Daddy Cruz in the house and Brian Knowles up front. We on the St. Mary's River. We trying to catch some fish. Y'all come on with us, see what we get into. That's a dang good one right there now.
Is that a house dump knocker?
Yeah.
That's a little creek right there. This would be tearing it up right there.
Might have about to lose him. I like the old blue eyes.
Yeah,
Oh, he about went.
that box up, I get the slick eel in there. Warmouth, probably.
Oh yeah, dang warmouth.
Yes, sir. Fatty.
A fatty. Heck yeah. But yeah, that's all we doing.
I thought maybe I might would use your assistance later on if you was handy, but you like you'd be busy.
What you got going on?
Well, that glue's supposed to be here today, and
Guess who it is? Old Stumpy.
That's a good one though. Hold him up with the camera. Sea Daddy Cruz is on the board.
Right, how about flop that lid for me? We eat them when we hungry. We don't return them till we return others.
Finally got a pretty good one.
Yes, sir.
They can get him in the box for me.
Get Brian, open that lid. Also put it on these ones in not like circumcision.
I bet no. Oh yeah. We starting to get some. Sure looks fishy right here anyway. Oh, he just hit it. Nah, didn't let him have it. Right here at the boat. back over there and see. Is it really? Old Sea Daddy's wanting catfish. Heads up.
I want the stump more than anything.
Heads up.
Stumping. Equine stumping. I don't hurt that one bitch, I'm gonna lose every dang thing I got. I'm gonna lose everything.
Good thing I didn't bring my tackle box. Oh, I thought it had it. I don't understand it. It's not like they hitting it hard either.
Bumping and running.
Yep. Look at there. Got him that time though. Oh yeah, it's a pretty good one here now.
Must be a striper.
Nope, red breast. Old rooster. Finally. Whenever I catch them like this, I'm not sure what to do with them, so I leave it up to my old buddy Sea Daddy. He usually, what you think, Sea Daddy?
What about him?
Huh?
He goes in the box.
Oh, he usually gives me a head nod.
Yeah, yeah. Beautiful.
Where did you get that hat from anyway? Turn around here. Turn around, let me see it. It says Daddy on it. Oh. He gone.
Mark, you throw away a red breast?
Yeah, that quick. Come right out my hand. Oh well, guys. Gotta get some more.
You know you kill them when you throw them back in good fish.
Ah, dog.
Best.
Hold him up, Brian. Oh yeah, Brian knows with the bass.
It's a damn good one.
Yeah, that is a good one. Caught him on beetle spin? Heck yeah. Fingerlings right there, fingerlings. They gonna fry up just right though. Oh yeah, a dang good mess.
Hi, I'm Mom Mop. I'm the cook usually on Sunday night and invite all the family over. So tonight we're gonna have fish that Jason caught for me. And
Or known as Mop Scrape.
so anyway, I've got my grease ready in my fryer and I'm gonna salt and pepper them and mill them because that's what you wanna do with fresh fish. I like to put my meal in a bag and salt and pepper them real good because they're not any good if you don't have any seasoning on them. And I like the little ones.
That's why I catch them like that, Mama. Just
Yes,
for you.
I can have them. Yep, and I don't like fish that don't have bones. I'm from the old country. And when my daddy and them caught fish, we ate them with the bones in them and just watched out for bones. So when they go to get me fish, I tell them not to cut and fillet them because I don't want them that way. I want to have bones in my fish.
And that's how we grew up. Just like that.
That's right. I'm the old country cook. So I still do things the way my mama did them. All right.
She's sealing up the bag. She's fixing to flop and flip and get them ready.
That's right. Put them in this deep fryer and fry them nice and brown. Shake some of that meal off. You don't want so much meal in your grease. So I kind of take them by the tail and shake them.
Boy, them things are gonna be good.
Yes, they are. I can't wait. Okay, we're gonna put it down in that grease. The grease is ready. And they're gonna fry. And I'm gonna start salt and peppering these other ones.
That's a nice channel catfish right there.
Mm-hmm, it is.
Perfect eating size.
Yeah, I think we had 2 of those, but I saved one for later on for me.
Oh yeah, that's the bass right there. Bass fillet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you had to fillet that one, didn't you?
Yeah, he's pretty big.
It was big. I had to cut it in two. But they're gonna be good. Okay, our first batch of fish are done. If you'll look, they're nice and brown and crispy, and that's the way they're the best. Got to make sure you cook them just right.
Oh yeah, look how pretty those are.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, oh boy, straight out the St. Mary's River.
Yep.
Now she's got her second batch getting ready to go in.
Yep, now some of these are the fillets. And they like the fillets, I like the bones.
That catfish gonna be good.
Oh yeah. But I want these little fish, you know me.
Yeah.
I like the little ones with the bones, you know.
You don't eat the tails, do you, Mom?
Sometimes. It's just if they're crispy.
Oh yeah, I like them. Like potato chips.
Yep, if they're real crispy, they're good. Yep, my mom always said the real tiny ones, you keep them too because you want them to get real crispy.
All right, second batch is in. While those are cooking, I'm gonna come over here to the shrimp. I'm gonna put a little bit of Old Bay on it, and just a sprinkle bit. Just, you know who likes them a little spicy? Alton Mock. I can't call him the other thing. He don't like it, but I'm gonna Alton. He's gonna eat with us too today. So I'm just gonna sprinkle on some Old Bay here. Move them around. Mama Mock's done deveined them and butterflied them, so they ready. All we gotta do these is put some batter on them. We're gonna fry them up right after the fish are done. And then we're gonna put a feast on them. They say just a dab will do you. So that's what we do. All right, look how good they look. All right, now we're just waiting for the fish to get done.
It won't take very long for them.
All right, guys, just put the shrimp fry, Zatarain shrimp fry in the bag. Got some shrimp. Put the shrimp in there. Mama Mock's taking a rest. She's gonna fry up them beautiful fish you see behind me. And I'm gonna do the shrimp to give her a little break. She works hard to cook for us. Put your good mess of handful in there, shake them around. And we're gonna go over there to the grease. Mess in there. Remember last time, old Al Toon, little big man, he wants to be called now, so that's what we're going with. And he used the egg wash, and it worked out good. We're not using the egg wash this time. Shake that off. The only bad thing of doing it like this, it makes a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. But just as good as Mama Mock cooks, she cleans even better. I want you to look at that catfish staring at me. The catfish is staring right at me. It's calling my name. It's going, hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Hey. But we're gonna hold off. God, dog, these shrimp gonna be tasty too. Mama Mott gonna be mad at me. I'm making a mess. Alright, I think that's it. I'm fitting to put them in. And look at there. You don't fry them long. About a minute at the most. And they're gonna be golden brown. Can't wait to eat them. Alright, here we go. Here's the spread. Got the fish we caught out of St. Mary's. Got French fries, shrimp. And of course we had to get some fillets for the women. Some of the women, not Mama Mott. They don't eat the bones in the fish, but that's all right. Gonna have some cheese grits and Mama Mott's homemade coleslaw. But best of all, turn right there and see. Oh yeah, got some pies, key lime and a chocolate mousse. Of course they ain't homemade, but they gonna eat good. I hope y'all had a good Memorial Day. And thanks for watching. If you would, please hit that like and subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it. And we about to chow down. Till we see y'all next time. Later.